Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution to the November 2021 polish pickup. The theme for this month is game night, and Glisten Glow's contribution is a beautiful shimmery polish called On Thin Ice. Plus, Glisten Glow is also going to be offering their glitter grabber for indie pickup this month. Both of these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only from November 5th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until November 8th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On Thin Ice is described as an icy powder blue polish loaded with color shifting shimmers that shift from orange to red to yellow to green, and it's inspired by a winter game called Thin Ice. I feel like the shimmer in this polish has a pretty strong orange lean, and it stands out even on that first coat. With 2 coats, the shimmer and the blue base build up even more. You could probably get away with 2 coats, but I applied 3 for full opacity, and I felt that the periwinkle blue base really deepened and transformed the whole polish on that 3rd coat. The price for On Thin Ice is $13 and there is no cap, and I'll top off this swatch with a coat of Glisten Glow's top coat for a super glossy finish. So here are 3 coats of On Thin Ice with Glisten Glow's top coat. Glisten Glow is also going to be offering their popular glitter grabber for November's indie pickup. Glitter grabber is a glitter smoothing polish that helps smooth out any texture from glitters, and it's applied after the polish and before the top coat. I have a full review of the glitter grabber and a comparison to regular top coat, which I'll link below, but as a quick demo, I applied 2 coats of Glisten Glow's Mummy of the Year from their Halloween quad and let that dry. This polish is packed with glitters of different sizes and autumn colors, and it dries textured. So first I'll apply a layer of the glitter grabber over Mummy of the Year, and then I'll apply a layer of Glisten Glow's top coat. The price for glitter grabber is $8 and there is no cap. Here you can see in the middle are 2 coats of Mummy of the Year with a layer of glitter grabber and top coat, and on the sides are 2 coats of Mummy of the Year on its own, and side by side you can really see what a difference glitter grabber makes. So that's all for today's video. Again, both On Thin Ice and glitter grabber will be available at polishpickup.com and only from November 5th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until November 8th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for On Thin Ice is $13 and the price for glitter grabber is $8 and there is no cap for either. I'll leave a link below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. Anyways, that's all for today and I will see you guys next time. Bye!